You've probably seen those viral shorts with the animated skeletons, right? They're everywhere. Well, today, we're going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how they're made, using a bunch of AI tools that are completely free. This is basically the blueprint to making your own.
So, you might be wondering, does this actually work? Well, check this out. There's a channel using this exact method that has just exploded, gaining over 50,000 subscribers with only about 70 or so videos. I mean, that is some insane growth.
And it's not just the subscriber count, which is already impressive. The views are just wow. Almost every single video they put out gets millions of views. We're not talking about a one-hit wonder here. This is a repeatable formula, and it is clearly working like a charm.
Ready to see the secret sauce? We are about to walk through the entire process, step by step, so you can do this too. And here's the best part, right? Every single tool we're about to use is 100% free. No hidden costs, no trials.
Okay, so every creator needs their toolkit, and for this, ours is all AI-powered. Think of these as the ingredients for our viral video recipe. We're going to look at the 4 main platforms that make this whole thing possible.
So here's the breakdown. It's like a little assembly line. First up, you've got ChatGPT. That's our scriptwriter and idea generator. It comes up with the concept and the specific scene prompts. Then, Gemini steps in as our artist, creating the still images from those prompts. After that, we take those images to Grok AI, our animator, to bring them to life. And finally, 11 Labs is our voice actor, generating the narration. Pretty cool, right?
All right, let's kick things off with step 1, to script. You know, every good video has to start with a solid idea. We're going to use ChatGPT for this, and it's not just going to give us a topic, it's going to break it down into scene-by-scene instructions for our visuals.
So the process here is actually really simple, but there's one key trick. First, you just open up ChatGPT, but instead of starting a normal chat, you're going to go to the Explore GPT section. In that search bar, you're going to type in skeleton shorts. Once you find that custom GPT, all you have to do is type in your topic. It's built to do all the heavy lifting for you.
And I mean, you can be super simple with it. You could literally just type in something like skeleton eating fast food, hit enter, and boom. ChatGPT will generate a whole series of individual scene prompts, all perfectly structured for the next steps of this process. It's that easy.
Okay, on to step 2. We have our text prompts from ChatGPT, so now it's time for the really fun part, making them visual. This is actually a 2-part deal. First, we'll create a still image, and then we'll animate that image to create a video clip.
Okay, so for the first part of our visual creation, we're using Gemini. And listen, this first bit is super important for consistency. You want to find a screenshot of a skeleton that has the style you like and upload it as a reference image. This basically tells the AI, hey, make it look like this. Then you just paste in that first scene prompt from ChatGPT, let it do its thing, and download the image it spits out.
Now, here's a little pro tip for you. Sometimes, Gemini will throw in extra stuff like other people or just clutter in the background. To get around that, you just tweak your prompt a little. Instead of just pasting the prompt, add this phrase. Use this as a sample image and create a clean image with only the skeleton. That one little sentence makes a huge difference and gives you a much cleaner result.
Okay, once you have that nice clean image from Gemini, we're going to hop over to Grok AI to make it move. And the process is pretty much the same. You upload the image you just made, you paste in the exact same scene prompt you used before, and you let the AI work its magic. It'll animate it for you, and you just download the clip. Then you just rinse and repeat for every single scene prompt you have. We've got our animated clips, so we're on the home stretch now. It's time for the final polish. Step 3 is where we put it all together. We'll add the audio and assemble all the pieces into our final video.
So for the audio, we're going to bounce back over to ChatGPT one last time. Just ask it to write you a quick, maybe 15 to 30-second voiceover script for your video. Once you've got it, copy the text, head over to 11 Labs, paste it in, pick a voice you like, and hit generate. And just like that, you have a professional-sounding audio file ready to go.
Now for the final assembly. This happens in whatever video editor you like to use. It's as simple as it sounds. You import all those little video clips you made, line them up in order, and then you drop in that voiceover track you got from 11 Labs. You might need to speed up or slow down the clips just a bit to make sure the visuals match the timing of the voiceover. And one last little tip, crop in just a tiny bit to get rid of any of those AI watermarks.
And
That's it. That's the entire process. We started with just a simple idea typed into ChatGPT, and now we have a fully animated short with a custom voiceover. You've now seen every tool, every step, and every little trick you need to create this exact style of content.
So there you have it, the complete recipe for making viral AI videos. And it doesn't cost you a single dime to get started. You have the blueprint. So the only question left is, what are you going to create?